British English and American English have some key differences that can trip you up, especially in a military context. For instance, in the UK, we say lorry for what Americans call a truck. If you're in a conversation and someone mentions a boot, they might be talking about the trunk of a car, not footwear. Spelling can also differ. For example, color in British English drops the U in American English, becoming color. When it comes to pronunciation, words like schedule are pronounced with a esh sound in the UK, while Americans often use a esk sound. To revise these differences for the ALCPT, create flashcards with examples, practice with military jargon, and immerse yourself in both versions through films or podcasts. This will not only enhance your language skills, but also make you more adaptable in diverse environments.